This is the Lagom P64. It's the flat burr single dose grinder. This one actually has the SSP High Uniformity burrs installed already in it. Mainly I use it for espresso, so that was the best option for me. So let's get to unboxing. This I purchased from the distributor, the Hong Kong distributor. So not directly from Option-O in the US. I believe if you want the P100, you will need to go directly to their website, which they are all sold out until end of 2021. It's 220 watts UK plug, of course, and the price came out to be, I think it was 13,000 Hong Kong dollars. So I'll leave. So let's get on to unboxing. Hopefully the camera will stay focused on it. Serial numbers on here. Right, let's do the accessories first. So it's well packaged, quite strong thick foam. This is, I'm assuming, the UK plug. Yep. So it comes with a UK plug. So 4 boxes, just white boxes of accessories. The first one, let's have a look at this. Let's do that. This one is the water bottle. It's actually, I think it's glass. Yep, that's it. I'll put that one aside. Second one, this should be the distribution tool actually. It's a bit bent. Anyway, I can rebend that. So they're quite thin. Quality is really nice. I just have to rebend them. This one, the ketchup. According to James Hoffman on his channel, the ketchup cup. Yep. And then this one is the dosing funnel. Yeah, pretty good quality. I'm pretty sure that's not magnet. Let's see that. Okay. These aside. Last one is the dosing cup. Should be. There you go. It's really heavy. Apparently this just fits onto a 58mm portafilter. Actually, let me go and get one. This is actually a IMS Nanotech 15-gram portafilter. I have an 18-gram VST, so 58 of course. And let's see if it fits. So you could, in theory, grind into this, put this over it. Actually, it fits perfectly fine. And then just dump it into here. It's actually a very nice fit. Maybe not as good as the niche Zero, but it's fine. It doesn't really, well, it does come off. Yeah, so you can technically grind into this, put your portafilter over it. Just turn it over. Okay, so now onto the main one, which is the grinder itself. Actually, really heavy, and let me get rid of the box. RPM, same, well, it starts at 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I believe 2 is sorry, 1 is 200 RPM. I have to put it at 200. So the quality is actually really good. Machine tolerances are very good. Let me see if I could clip it. So to check out the burrs, you just basically it's very easy to unscrew. There you go. So there is a bearing here. Okay, so I will probably have, yeah, so there's coffee grounds there. So I have to carefully clean all that out. And then I can actually lift this, the top burr. There you go. So SSP High Uniformity burrs, so 3 screws. Okay. Still shiny and of course very sharp. Okay, and then on the inside, let's see if we can focus in. When you do go back to reassembling it, just make sure that your threads are clean, clear of coffee grounds. And then always make sure you don't strip the threads, go backwards until it clicks in. There you go, and you're back right in the middle. Okay. So this is the factory for 0. You got to bear in mind that you should never you should never try and find your 0 with the machine turned off, purely because of the way the tooth are made. So if I turned it a little bit more, that's where it stops. But you do not want to turn the machine on when it's pretty much full stop, because you can actually damage the burrs. You should always try and find 0 with the machine turned on. That way the teeth will never interlock with each other. If you want to find 0, you should turn it on now and then start turning. Actually, I'll do do a demo of it.